Are you looking for an easy way to change the language on chess.com? In this short tutorial, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do it. I'll guide you through the entire process, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up any web browser you like and then go to chess.com. And then log into your chess.com account. After that, you'll see a page similar to this. So now what you want to do next is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Profile. After that, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see an option called Language. Just tap on that. And then select the language that you like. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Save button. This is exactly how you change the language on chess.com. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.